Manila, Cebu, Siargao, straight.
Ito yung hotel na binigay ng Cebu Pacific for naman, makalipad kami ngayon ulit, di ba? Okay, pwede na talaga tayo magdiwang kasi nasa loob na tayo ng Siargao. And hi!
Hi!
And also, galing silang Lasal. What is up, you guys? It's your boy KC Gardner coming at you with another vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, finally guys, after a very stressful travel day kahapon, nakarating din tayo sa Siargao. And yeah, nandito na tayo sa hotel natin, which is the Tarzan's tree house, which is like a few meters walk lang from the main road. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a room tour ng ating hotel. So yan, Tarzan's house. Sobrang ganda guys, even though it's so small, like it's so aesthetic. Andun nga pala yung beach, sobrang lapit lang. Anyway, pasok tayo dito. Ito yung reception area nila. And then this is their lounge area. Say hi ate to the vlog. Hello. So, ayan, ito yung place natin na pwedeng mag-work. So ayun, andito na yung room namin, like katapat lang. Onti lang naman yung rooms dito. Yan. Bilang lang, pero let's go to our room. So doon tayo sa second floor, aakyat tayo. Guys, ang ganda ng mga plants, oh. Nandito ang tita ko, ay naghahanda siya, kunyari hindi ready. So ito yung room natin. This is called the Tarzan's Loft. Meron kaming lounge area dito. Pag open natin, hi! Hi! Yan, meron tayong isang day bed dito. Yung ref namin nandyan. Tapos dito yung shower and toilet natin. Shower area, meron tayong view. Ayan, di ba? Tapos ito yung toilet. May view ulit. Nice. O, di ba? Ang laki. Hi guys. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa second floor. Yan, loft nga, di ba? So, dito tayo sa taas. Titingnan natin yung room. Yan, meron tayong isang bed dito sa kaliwa. And another bed dito sa kanan. Which has a very nice view of the beach. Kita niyo ba yan? Ang ganda! Tapos yung other side, may view naman ng greenery. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Although medyo nakaganda ako kasi ang tangkad ko. Tapos medyo mababa. Yung aircon. Oh, grabe init. Kasi kakarating lang namin. Anyway, that is it for the very quick room tour. And I'm going to see you guys later. Okay guys, so itutour tayo ni ate sa Jane's Loft naman. Kasi sa amin Tarzan's Loft. So yeah, this is Jane's Loft. Kaya tayo. Tara! Wow! Magkano dito ang per night? 1,700. Nice, may kitchen.
Pareho lang po yata dun sa inyo.
May kitchen dito, tapos may shower. Nice. Ito yung toilet. May kitchen and dining.
Pareho lang po. Sige po, okay lang. Wala naman CCTV dito eh.
Ay, ang ganda. Mas maganda dito. Hindi available eh. Nice. Nice oh. May duyan. Tapos may day bed. Nice.
Opo, ito lang po yung may lutuan po yung sabi ka amin.
Ay, ito pala nabubuksan. Ang ganda guys oh.
Wala po. Bumalik po yung
So napupunta naman tayo sa private beach ng Tarzan's. Kasi apparently ang may access lang dito ay yung mga guests ng Tarzan. So doon lang yung Tarzan, ayan. Tapos ito na yung beach. Guys, their coffee is the best. Here at Coco Frio, sobrang sarap ng coffee. Ano ba ga? Ayan. Here at Tashi's Grill. I don't know if you call it Tashi's. Hi guys, so now we are here in Barrel. Iinom tayo. And look who we found. Hi guys. Long time no see. Cheers guys. Okay guys, so it's already 9:30. I know it's kind of early. I think open sila hanggang 10:30 p.m. And guys, gusto ko na sabihin na sobrang mura dito sa Barrel. And sobrang ganda ng place. Ito yung main bar nila and doon kami kanina sa beachfront. But like really, sobrang mura talaga. And sobrang nice here. Anyway, we're going back home. Kasi medyo drunk na kami ng very light. Tipsy na kami. And also, maaga pa kami bukas. Kasi may island tour kami. So yeah, see ya!